In this video, I'll show you how to enable or turn on the music haptic setting on your iPhone on iOS 18. This is a new feature especially to help, especially if you're deaf when you're listening to music. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is go into your setting on your iPhone and then go over to Accessibilities. And then if you scroll down a little further under the hearing section right here, you see a new setting called Music Haptics. You click on that, tap on it. By default, it is turned off, but when available, Music Haptic basically provides haptic feedback for supported songs. So you can go ahead and enable it and go ahead and play a sample and see how that is. Basically, right in my hand is you can feel, or I can feel the vibration of the music sound. So if you need that extra haptics whenever you're playing music, you'll be able to see that. Now these are the available apps that are supported. Some apps don't support it, so if you're using other apps, you may not get this feature. So you have to use the ones that are available right here, like the music app itself, or Shazam in this case. But that's how you turn on Enable Music Haptics on your iPhone on iOS 18. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video. And for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.